There are several ways to assign a test. You can assign a test directly to someone. You can have someone click on a link to take a test. You can do something through integration. You can upload candidates to assign a test. One of the more common ways is via the custom URL. So the benefits of the custom URL are it's a portable link. It's something you can put in an Outlook message. It's something you can put on your website. In this case, the test taker self-registers. The drawbacks are there's not a lot of security around this. You don't know exactly who might click on it, although you have an intended audience that you'll send it to. So I'll give you an example here. You click on add a new custom URL and you really have three options that you need to work through. You want to create a unique name because this is what the candidate or test taker will click on. So I'll call this demonstration recording. So kind of a long one. Demonstration recording, and you can see it appends that to the end of the name. And behind this URL, you put a product. So I'm going to put the ABCs of testing, which is a fictional test that I made up. Any type of norms that need to be created on the end of that. Any special settings on that test show up as well. And it lists all tests that you have in inventory. And then you can add a few settings. If you want to put a password on it, you can, which gives some security. If you want to maximize the number of candidates, I only want 100 people possible to take this so they don't deplete 2,000 sessions of my inventory. I can set availability to control when it can be taken, and there are some notifications, email reminders, instructions that come up. I'll kind of leave a lot of this blank, but just know that you have a lot of options on your custom URL. I'll hit save. It tells me that's been saved successfully. And then I can see in my list of URLs, here are the links to set that up. So just as a fictional example, let's pretend like I got an email and it says, hey, click on this link to take this test. So I'll close this session and let's put this link in our browser, pretend like we just clicked on it. The experience for the candidate is going to be, I click on the link and it asks me a few pieces of information. So once again, we don't know who took this test. So I will say my name is Maury Simpson, and this is my email address. Feel free to spam me. And then when I click continue, it's going to take me directly into that test. So think of this custom URL as an extremely portable way to get information out easily, seamlessly, without direct assignment. So it took me directly into the test. I self-registered as the candidate, and now the experience would happen just as if I had assigned a test.